Hey guys, Todd with Abrasive Technologies. One of the questions we get asked a lot is, especially when people send their parts in, they always want to know which machine we use to blast their parts in. Now, if you're sending me parts in that are like this size, it's not necessarily which machine I put it in, but it's which machine has the media that I need. In this case, this very large 3500 has our glass bead in it, which I may use to blast this part with. You don't need a 3500 to blast a part this size. If you have a larger part, yeah, absolutely, you may need a larger machine. But we could take this all the way down to a micro if you're only doing a couple of these. Now, if you're doing several thousand of them, we may need to look at something else to give you a little more automation. But again, it's not really what machine we blasted it in, it's what machine in our showroom here actually has the media that we need to blast your part with. So I hope that answers your question. If you have any other questions about parts or free part testing, please give us a call, 828-202-5563.